So the first project on this boat will be to fix this chain plate. There's a pretty good sized crack going through here. So first I'm gonna try to secure the rig with some halyards and attach some halyards to the tow rail and the stanchions so it has something to hold it up. There's also another chain plate here, a smaller one. So hopefully, as long as I'm not sailing anywhere, it'll keep the mess up good. So I put one halyard over here, another one here, maybe go to the top, and then I got this stanchion off, put it over here, and just gotta do this one now. This is the one that's like really supporting it, so I've got it loose and I'm just gonna pull that pin off now. I think I'll stick him over here somewhere. Alright, moment of truth. Both side stays attached to the tow rail. That went off without a hitch. Next step, go down below and start pulling out these bolts. Got off all the bolts, and now I think I gotta go up on the deck to remove 2 screws, and that should just pop out hopefully. All right, wasn't too bad. Put a plastic bag over the hole and just screwed it back in to keep any water out. Just for a few days. We're here to pick up that chain plate. And there it is. So the new chain plate's a little bit thicker, so I had to widen this hole up with the router. It actually worked really well. Alright, duct tape the bottom, and then we'll fill the top with epoxy. Sticking epoxy in there, hardening up. Now I'm pressing butyl tape down around this deck joint where the chain plate comes out, so it'll try to keep the water out. Well, it took all day, but the chain plate is finally installed. And I didn't do a very good job, so I might have to take it out and put it back in again in the future, but for now it'll work. All that remains to do is to go up and reinstall the rigging.